there's some vocabulary that comes along with solving systems of linear equations that you may not have heard before. And the words you may not have heard are the words consistent or independent or inconsistent, and I guess consistent and dependent. And just basically, there's a couple things that can happen when we're solving linear systems. Well, there's three things that can happen. One thing that can happen is you can have one line and another line, and they cross in exactly one place. So then there is going to be an x and y value that will make both equations true, and you'll have a solution to the system. Another thing that can happen that gives you solutions is you can have one line and then a second line that goes right over the first line, and then there's going to be infinitely many x's and y's, any point on either line, that'll be a solution to the system. So anytime there's some kind of x and y that make there be a solution, we say that that is a consistent system. If we can find a pair of x and y values that make both equations true, if we can find a solution, it's consistent. The difference is if there's just the one solution, that's called independent. And if there's infinitely many solutions, if it's one line on top of the other, that's going to be the dependent set of solutions. And then finally, the last word here is inconsistent, and that's a situation where there's absolutely no solutions. There's not an x and y that make both equations true, and that's usually a picture like this, where we have two lines that will never ever meet. So to summarize, if you can find an x and a y, we have a consistent system. If there's just the one x and y, it's consistent and independent. If it's one line on top of the other, it's consistent and dependent. And if there's no solution at all, if the lines never cross, it's an inconsistent system.